making a splash into the joy of reading. This colorful reading tub is making waves at Hilton and Island Elementary School. It's decorated with popular book characters designed by Hilton and Island High School art students as a fun and creative way to encourage younger students to read more.
To create this, we used acrylic paint and paint pens. Our inspiration was just a bunch of famous characters from children's books, and we took characters from books new and old.
The idea for the reading tub came from the high school student's art teacher. Her mother was an early childhood educator who had a reading tub in her classroom. Now her students are carrying that legacy forward by creating this one-of-a-kind reading nook.
I honestly hope that the elementary school kids would also love it and possibly feel inspired to read more, because I know if I had something like this, I'd be more inspired to read, and I'd definitely be more of a reader than I am right now.
I really hope that the kids just find a lot of joy in the tub, because we truly put our hearts into it. It was definitely a just very passion project for all of us, and I just really hope it inspires them to read.
One of the student artists even had the opportunity to speak about the project at the Palmetto State Literacy Association conference earlier this year.
With our project, we are just trying to blend reading and art and show kids that not only is reading important, but art is important as well.
The younger students love climbing into the tub to read.
I think it was comfy, and it's so cool because they got to paint it by themselves and by their own hands, and I like it because it's really cute and it's really big, and we're gonna take good care of it.
It's really relaxing, and I feel like it's just a place where you can get a book and then just relax and kind of lose yourself in the book.
The reading tub took about 3 months to complete. At Hilton and Island Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.